This is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play split screen in your games on your Nintendo Switch. Now, before you get to the game, the most important thing is to set up your Joy-Con controllers. And you want to set this up so you can use both of them. So if you are only using one, so let's go on over to controllers. Then go to change grip order. And in the bottom left, you can see I have them both connected as one controller. Now, we want to go to our Joy-Con. And then press the sync button, hold this down. So let's hold this down, the light is flashing. And then press the two buttons on the top. And this is connected as two separate controllers now. So let's go to the orange one now and do the same thing. And then press this. Alright, and we have two controllers connected now with one Joy-Con controller. Then we have to press the right D-pad button and we can back up. Now let's go to our game and start it up. So we can go to Super Smash Brothers or Rocket League. Let's just go to Rocket League. Actually, that has to install. So let's go to Super Smash Brothers and then log into a profile here. And then once we get into the game and we're about to start and we can see like the character selection, we can simply press a button on the controller and we can log in with another account now, since we have two of these controllers connected. So maybe you have two different Joy-Cons and you want to play, or you can do the same steps. So let's wait for this game to load up and then we can jump in and it should be easy from here. So let's press some buttons and then let's go to just where it says Smash. Maybe that will work. And then let's go to Smash here. And then you can see the character selection. So here's all the different rules. So let's go to that, and then create rule sets, or let's just use something else that's created already. Alright, let's go to save, and we should be good. Okay. Now 3 sock lives is good, so let's go to this, and we should be good. Alright. Accept. Alright, so now that I have the stage selected, we should be able to go to the character selection. Alright, here we are. So in the bottom right now, let's select this, and we go to P2. And then we have to press the L, the SR, and the whatever the button. So let's do this. Boom. And that is how you can get 2 players in here. So now I can select my character. Alright, and then I can select my character on the first one too. Alright, and then I can start the game. So that is how you can play split screen on your Nintendo Switch. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.